All right, we're back here in the Z370Z, not the 50. And we're replacing the steering wheel with a personal wheel. Personally.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do it. All right, we got a T30. It's a T30 with the, I forget what it's called, but with the hole in the center. There we go, focusing. With the hole in the center so it can fit on the bolt in there. They're covered by these two little plastic caps that just pop out. Get those out really quick. Forgot to mention to disconnect the battery before you start. We got a little light set up helping us, so we're kind of working in the dark. There we go. There's a lot of Loctite on it. Here's the first one out. Got a little bit stripped, but it's not going back in, so it's not important.
You have to go slowly. Okay, got the airbag out. Let's pull it out now. It's getting held in. Yeah, by 2 clips. Just this yellow and orange one.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys can see that. But
yeah, there's 2 clips. All right, get those out. All right, let's squeeze that shit, pull it up.
The black part. It's gonna blow up after we remove this last one. Oh, got it.
All right, we got it.
Chest piece.
All right, we got the 19.
I don't even give a shit anymore.
We stepped up our leverage game. All right, you ready?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Lefty loosey.
Shit.
Did you break it?
Nope. Yes, I did. Don't turn it so hard. Yeah, there we go.
And get that orange shit all over you again.
No. Faint because it's blood. That's all.
Alright, cool. Pull off your steering wheel.
Getting like orange shit everywhere. Shit. No, like some of them are like stuck on there.
Yeah.
But this one like just came off, so I didn't even have to leave it on there. How does this work?
Cool.
Okay. Stock 370 wheel. $400. Signed by me. Takes it.
All right, now we're starting with the Works Bell Boss Hub. Made for the 370, so there's not going to be any, shouldn't be any issues with fucking anything.
Short hub too.
Short hub.
Because they have a long version of this, but the 370 needs the short version.
All right, before you put in your Boss Hub, you got to put in your, really crazy, it's a horn adapter, and it comes with a plug. Fucking nuts.
Yep.
How hard is it? See how hard this is to install, dude.
On a scale of 1 to 10, it's probably like a 9. So, you know, what we're doing is like groundbreaking. So,
Don't know how guys do this.
look at this.
Shit.
Yeah, I think we got that.
All right, dude, nice. Cool.
Missing one.
Line that up first.
Huh?
Get the works bell straight down.
Yeah, I know. It's on there. Perfect.
Cool. It's got the lock washer that came with it, and then you'll put the 19 back on, a new 19 that came with it.
Yep.
Getting more of that orange stuff on his hand.
Yeah.
Alright, now we're doing the resistors for the airbag so you don't get the SRS light flashing at you the whole time. The whole time your car is alive.
Oh, good thing they have pictures.
Alright, we're gonna need zip ties for this. So
Oh,
zip
yeah.
tie it. Alright, we have everything hooked up. We changed one of the adapters to make it match for the works bell hub.
No
So
reason.
we're not using these that came with it. We're using that stuff. So we're getting it all set up, and then we'll bolt everything down. And we put a little bit of electrical tape over the connectors just to cover up any exposed metal so we don't have accidental horn beeps. And now we're gonna bolt it down. All right, so the hub in the bottom of the quick release is all put on now. Then we got the steering wheel put on the quick release off part. We haven't tightened the wheel onto it yet though. All right.
It's much closer on the stock wheel, even with the short hub. Imagine if I got the long one. It'd be like up to here. But it's about the same size, really.
Yeah.
It's only like, what, 20 millimeter difference? You can still see the gauges. It doesn't get in the way.
All right, anyways.
Horn doesn't work too bad.
Horn doesn't work even though we did all the wiring and everything, but it looks nice. Looks a lot nicer. All done. Now you can go home and get out of my driveway. Release it and then ding it. Pop it out and then put it back in.
Whoops.